Hi guys, I'm so excited. I want to share with you how everything goes. So there you go. Shoots. Anytime you press the trigger, it will fire theoretically, because it has a magnet on the bottom. And as soon as you remove the magnet, you can crush this trigger, but it's not gonna fire. See? Now, when you put the trigger bottom, you hear the click, and voila. Shoots. Remove. It doesn't want to shoot. So basically a bare hand without the magnet. I have to switch the polarity. It's not going to work. Boom. Don't need to even make a hole here. As soon as I remove the magnet, it doesn't want to work. As soon as I put the magnet, awesome. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Now the real test begins.